Do you know how to get the most money from your scrap metal? Use our combination of mini hoppers and chip funnels for a mobile and flexible solution to keep scrap metal sorted and avoid cross-contamination. These products were designed for machines in tight spaces. Easily switch from 2 people emptying heavy garbage cans to 1 person doing it efficiently and safely with the proper tools. With this system, you get more money from scrap because it's easier to keep it sorted properly. You'll have mobile hoppers in tight spaces which can easily be dumped with a hand cart or a forklift. You save labor by having 1 person dump the scrap instead of 2. And the potential of accidents and injuries from people lifting heavy garbage cans or buckets is greatly reduced. Many people find they're not getting money back from their scrap metal because it's sorted improperly. With this elevated system, you'll likely find a very short time frame for return on investment. Make it safer and simpler for your people, and they'll be happier to make your job easier. To learn more about a solution that's right for you, contact us at leanmanufacturingproducts.com/minihopper.